Imagine logging into your Telegram, you insert your number, then the code, everything seems fine. Then boom, Telegram asks for two-step verification password, which you don't remember. You try guessing it, it fails. You panic because all your chats are there. Don't worry, in this video I'll be showing you every method that can help you solve the forgot two-step verification password. Telegram's two-step verification is a security extra layer that is used to protect your account. But once you forget the password, Telegram will block access until you prove it's really you. The solution depends on one important thing. Did you set the recovery email or not? Let me break it down step by step. When Telegram asks for two-step verification password, look closely below. Tap Forgot Password. Slogan will send your verification code to the email linked when setting up your two-step verification. Then you need to open your email, copy the code and paste it back in your Telegram. Once verified, you can create a new password and completely disable the two-step verification. That is it. No data loss, no waiting, no stress. Now here is a trick that most people don't know. If you're already logged into another device like Telegram desktop or another phone, you can fix this instantly. Open Telegram on the logged in device, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, tap Two-Step Verification. From here, you can disable the password or change it. Now, if you forgot the password and never included the recovery email, Telegram gives you the option of Reset Account. This will delete all chats, groups, contacts, and files permanently. You will start a new and a fresh Telegram account using the same number. Only do this if you don't have any other way. Warning, this action cannot be undone. What if no email was linked? If no email was set, Telegram will ask you to wait up to 7 days before the reset option becomes available. This waiting period is a security measure to protect your account. Once you regain access, do this immediately. Add a recovery email. Save your password in a secure password manager. Avoid using passwords you will forget easily. Trust me, this saves you from future headaches. Let me know what you think about the above mentioned methods. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.